How to create and submit an order on Straumann Access. Learn how to submit a Smile in a Box order on Straumann Access. Understand what to include in a Smile in a Box order. Log in to Straumann Access and navigate to Smile in a Box. Click the plus button. There are ways to send IO scans directly from some intraoral scanners. If you've already submitted the IO scan from Trios, search by the patient's name or an order number and select it. If you've already submitted the IO data from Straumann Sirius, search by the patient's name and select it. If the patient has not been created or submitted from Straumann Sirius or Trios, create a new patient profile. You will attach the IO scan file in the later step. The custom patient ID will be used for communication with case contributors and Smile in a Box service team. You can customize this ID if desired. Continue filling out the information. Add people who will review or interact with the order. Contributors have full permission to view order details and perform open tasks. Select the arch you wish to treat. In this video we will choose Dual. You can choose between single, multiple units or full arch options. Select the tooth number and implant system. Choose the surgery kits you own. Choose the service package you prefer. You have three options. The first option includes treatment planning, design and 3D printing. The second option includes treatment planning, design, 3D printing and the design and milling of a temporary prosthetic. The third option is a custom selection where you can create your own service package. If the temporary prosthetic is included in your selected package, choose the prosthetic design you want. Select the tooth shade. If you're unsure, you can select Prefer to specify later. Under Additional Services, you can order extra components such as implants, impression posts, custom trays or 3D printed master models. Click Next to continue. We've just entered the maxilla information. Since we selected Dual, now we need to enter the mandible information. Choose between single, multiple units or full arch. In this video, we will select full arch. Select the patient's current condition, either dentate or edentulous. Choose the implant system. Select the surgery kits you own. Choose your preferred guided surgery solution. Select the service package you wish. If the temporary prosthetic is included in the service package, select the prosthetic design you want. Under Additional Services, you can order extra components. In the Data Sharing section, you can upload the necessary files. The mandatory files are DICOM files and iOS or model files. DICOM files must be uploaded as a zip file. There are multiple ways to attach the files. Upload them in the method that works best for you. Wax up or patient photos are optional. Select the surgery date. Choose the treatment review method, document-based or online meeting. Note that an online meeting is required for the full arch service. Review the order details, address information and price estimate. If you have a promo code, enter it here. Click Submit Order to finalise the process. Your order has been submitted. The Smile in a Box service team will review your information and take the next steps.